baretsi ba tswa letsholo la koma ya batlwa ya batlwa koma e itswina e monate bagolo bana ditlogolo le dikokomana ba tlhabeletsa dikoma koma we o monate jang
Ladies and gents, we can do far much better than that. She will be back on stage to give us the second item. She is, of course, the star of the day. This once again proves the narrative. There is nothing wrong with our learners. They need to be seen, they need to be heard, and they need to be supported. Ladies and gents, to make remarks and present to us the MEC for the Free State Department of Education, Haribitse Mewarona, a friend and a believer of the Motheo Education District. The mayor for Mantsopa, Councillor Tweni.
Talebo, MEC Mohale,